My name is Samra Asfaw, and I am the Life Skills Manager here at OPI. So the Life Skills Department at OPI focuses on two areas: independent living and goal setting and achievement. So in terms of the independent living, we work with our clients to set and follow an AM and PM routine. This is kind of something that we start with because that is like the biggest thing, being able to get up in the morning, get through their routine, brush their teeth, wash their face, shower, put clean clothes on, eat breakfast, and prep for the day to get to the office. Another thing that we work on is just day-to-day budgeting. So talking about wants and needs and being able to take their weekly allowance that they earn by attending appointments and just going through the program, and being able to track that and save as well as spend on things that are necessary. Another thing that is included in their day-to-day living and routine is individual activities, which is like a huge thing. We want to be able to get these clients out into the community and doing things that they enjoy. So an example could be like a client who goes to a yoga class, being able to set that up on their schedule, have them prepare for their yoga class and get to the class on time with the necessary materials they need, just so that they can get out and integrate back into what is considered like the real world. Other things that we work on: goal setting and achievement. So working with the client to figure out what they want and how they're going to be able to get that. So we use the SMART acronym. What do they specifically want? Is it measurable? Is it attainable, realistic, and how much time is it going to take to complete this goal? So that's something that we really focus on, just setting mini goals to then set larger goals to get to whatever they want and they desire at the end. We also have a wellness coach here who focuses on all things health and wellness in terms of eating, sleeping, and movement. We work with the client through the moment that they get here to the moment that they leave on all of these skills, and in each phase of the program we build on that skill. So the goal is that they're able to leave this program and they're able to take care of themselves. As clients move through the program and realize that it's something that they need and we are here for them, they're able to kind of, lean in and be really happy with their outcome. They're showing up with more confidence and the ability to communicate and advocate for themselves to staff and clients. You deserve the help, and there are people here that care for you and want to help you. I am on your team. I'm here to work with you. I'm not here to work against you. It's not easy, but if you put in the work, then you will get the outcome that you want.